Today we have the 2019 Vauxhall Grandland X. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our heated steering wheel. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation, smartphone integration, our profiles, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.